Hi everyone, this is Nancy Wethington, and I'm with you today to show you how we're going to do these accordion folds, because I think the directions for my card kit, for my book kit were not correct, number one, and you didn't quite understand where I was going with it. So I'm going to try to explain this all to you today, and I'm going to do it step by step with you. So I just wanted to go through what we have so far cut. So you have a piece of cardstock that's 7 inches by 5 inches. You have a piece of cardstock that's 6 inches by 5 inches, and you have a piece of cardstock that's 5 inches by 5 inches. And these stack together, leaving space in between. These are all going to be pockets. So this is going to be a pocket, this is going to be a pocket, this is going to be a pocket. But what we're trying to achieve is some room in between. So we're creating these hinges. So to do that, what I had you do was nothing for the 7 inch by 5 inch pocket. That we can just set this one aside. That's just going to be flat onto the page. But you're going to cut 2 6 inch by 2 inch pieces. 2 inches wide by 6 inches tall. And those go with the 6 by 5 inch pocket. And then you're going to cut 2 pieces cardstock that are 2 inches by 5 inches, and those are going to go with the 5 by 5 inch pocket. So the first one we're going to work on is the 6 by 5 inch pocket. So take your 2 pieces, and I totally apologize for this, but I had one of the scoring measurements incorrect. This is on page 11 of your directions. And what I really want you to do is take this 2 by 6 inch piece. You have 2 of them, so you're going to have to do the same thing 2 times. And you're going to score it at 1/2 inch, not the 1/3. I don't even know what that is. 1/2 inch and at the 1.5 inch mark. So you're going to do those scores. And then you're going to turn to the back side and score it at 1 inch. And then you're going to accordion fold these on the on the mountain side. Okay, so we're going to accordion fold, and then I'm going to burnish. Now you're going to take this piece, and I've already got one glued here, so we're just going to do the other side. I want this mountain fold out, and you're going to glue just one side to the edge. So we're going to put glue on one side. And then I'm going to glue it down, making sure that I hit the edge of the pocket, or what's soon to be a pocket, to the edge of the accordion fold. So now I have 2 accordion folds. See those? On the back. They're kind of spongy. Okay, and then eventually what you're going to do is attach those accordion folds to the 7 by 5. So let's do that now. And if you want to, it makes it a little bit easier. I'm going to grab a scissors real quick. If you want to, what makes it a little bit easier is to maybe just take some of this bulk off the bottom. So you can just do a little snip like this, and a little snip the other way. Okay, let me do this. Yeah, it'll work. Okay, get rid of these guys. And then I'm going to put glue on this last accordion piece on the back, and glue on this last accordion piece, And then this 6x5 is going to get glued, and you have to kind of hold these down. It's a little bit messy. It's going to get glued to the edge of the 7-inch piece. And burnish those. And then I'm going to take the bottom and add a little glue at the bottom. I'm kind of cheating here a little bit. Okay. And then burnish that. Okay, give it a minute, and there you have your accordion pocket. So now we're going to do another one. We have the 5x5. So we're going to take the 2-inch by 5-inch strip. We're going to score it at half and at 1.5. And we're doing this so we can fold on the mountain folds. Turn it over, score at 1 inch. Oop, fingers working. And again, my apologies for not making this clear. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. You know, sometimes I just get in my own head. I'm going to trim these off just a little bit in advance. And then I want the mountain fold out on this one as well. So I'm going to put glue on one side. I use wet glue. I'm a wet glue girl. I have had too many issues with tape. I'm going to put this right on the edge of the pocket on the 5-inch side. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other piece. Score it a 1/2 inch and at 1.5. Turn it over. Score at 1 inch. Fold on the mountains. Okay, make sure this is on the, this is going to be on the outside of my pocket. So I'll pre-trim it a little bit, get some of the bulk out. Glue. Grab my 5x5 pocket. Glue this down to the edge of the 5x5. It's the opposite edge of what we just did. Oh, I don't have that on the edge at all. I thought that looked funny. There we go. Okay, now I want to take my 6x5 that I already did. Remember, we already have this done. And I'm sorry, I just used some scrap paper here, so you're going to see some weird stuff that you won't see in yours. So now I want to put this on the bottom, right, of the 6x5. So I'm going to put glue on the last panel. And then this side. And I could put glue here, but I want to make sure these are placed right first. Okay, I'm going to the bottom of the 6x5 pocket, and I'm adding, making sure to tuck those sides in. I'm adding my accordions. And if you're not sure about doing both sides at one time, you can do one side and then the other. You just have to be careful that you get all those tucked in. And I'm really putting some pressure on that glue. Then I've got an open bottom, so now I'm going to glue the bottom. And again, you can do this. Okay. I'm going to do this with it. And then honestly, what I do a lot of times is grab something. I've got all kinds of little things. You can grab clips and clip that together until it gets, I'm looking for another clip real quick, and of course I can't find one. Here we go. Clip this together until it really sticks well. But that's your accordion pocket. And then when you're ready to put this on the page, all you need to do is turn this to the back of the 7x5 and glue here, here, and here. So I hope that made it clearer for you. I'm sorry that the directions were wrong. I guess I was just typing too fast and didn't proofread properly. But I hope that really helps you put your pockets together. Thank you so much for your patience with this, and I hope you still love the book. Thank you. Bye.